Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I take vintage clip-on earrings and I turn them into post-back earrings. I enjoy wearing vintage jewelry, but I find that a lot of the earrings have the clip-on backs, and I don't prefer to wear the clip-on backs because I'm always nervous that I'm going to lose them or they slip off. If you have some vintage clip-on earrings that you want to turn into post backs, you should probably know their value first, because some of these earrings can be very expensive, and you don't want to ruin them by turning them into the post backs. So just do your research before you do, and let's begin. Okay, let's take a look at this gorgeous bracelet earring set that I got from a clean out I helped do. I immediately fell in love with this set when I saw it, and I thought about it for a long time if I should sell these on my eBay store or if I should keep it. So I'm going to keep it. This is the bracelet. I think this is so cute. So when it goes on like this, and it has a little clasp. But look at that. It has the matching earrings. Clip on. These are heavy. So I know that these are going to be slipping if I try to wear them the way they are. They do have a little rubber piece back here that helps prevent that, but again, I don't want to wear them all day and come home at the end of the day and realize I lost one, because I don't know if I'd be able to replace it. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna go ahead and put these aside. So let's go ahead and take a look at these. It appears that I may be able to take this off without ruining it. That way, if I ever decide to, I can put it back together. These are the post backs I'm going to be using. I picked these up at Hobby Lobby. They were $3.99, but I got them, I think they were half off. They were having a sale. I love Hobby Lobby. These are 18 karat gold plated. I got them because I thought they would match. Also, I can't wear fake jewelry too long. My ears get like swelly, and sometimes they could get infected if I leave them on for a long time. So these should be okay. We will also be using my favorite glue, the E6000. This stuff is amazing. I've never tried this one before. This particular one says it's for jewelry and bead. The one I always buy is just the regular E6000. So first I'm going to try to remove this piece without ruining anything and see if I can. Don't want to. Oh. There we go. Awesome. Just clipped on out. But there we go. All right, they just came out. I did leave some scratches right there. So now we have these. I think it'll be okay, and I can wear them as long as this little piece is still there. That'll hang below my earlobe. I'm gonna put the post up here. So let's try out the post, see what it looks like. post, we're going to go ahead and put it here. I hope that's enough surface. It should be. Yep. Okay, so we'll put one on this one and we'll put one on this one. I really don't want to have to clip this off. I'll wear them and see how this affects me wearing them. I mean, if my hair is always getting stuck in them, or I don't know, you never know. So hopefully I don't have to. You want to use this stuff in a ventilated area. The smell is really strong. Let's see. I'll use one of these. Sometimes when I open this, it just gushes out. That's why I have this paper right here. And open. There we go. Just screws on. Let's try a little bit out. I don't want to make it, I don't want too big of a glob to come out. Oh, I can already smell it. There we go. See that? Now, before we put the glue on, I need to be able to know that they're going to stay in position when I put this on. I think they'll be okay. But always think ahead before you glue something, because you don't want to glue it and then panic and try to figure out where you can set it so that way it can dry. So let's go ahead and put one dot on here, and one dot on here, and attach. And I'm attaching them in a way where when you turn them this way, you don't really see the top sticking out. Well, not too much. So when I look at it, I'm going to push it down until it's flush. See it right there? I'm going to push it down until it's flush. But be careful, because these will slide around with the glue until it starts drying. There we go. And there. This has to dry overnight. So I won't be able to wear them today, but I'll definitely post a picture of me wearing them in the video, which will be tomorrow. And that's it. Oh, and try not to get glue everywhere. Ugh, don't touch it either. I always forget, don't touch this stuff. All right. Hi everyone, I'm back. It is the next day and my earrings are dry. So this is how they came out. And here's the other one. So these were the original backs that came with the posts, but these are kind of heavy, so I'm gonna put these on with them when I put them on right now. It'll help the earrings not sag and pull on my ear hole. Okay, so I have the earrings on. Can't really see them with my hair down. Maybe I could put my hair up. And then I had my husband put on the bracelet. Let's see if I can. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you next time. Bye.